Hey guys, and thank you very much for watching my newest video here on copper versus glass, and if you're not already, now is a great time to subscribe. Now once you are subscribed, you will also need to hit that notification bell, as you may not be notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. And the reason is because YouTube has changed a lot of things around subscriptions and the way that they work. Now reading direct from YouTube's channel here, you can see that it says, subscribe to channels you'd like to see more content from those channels. You can find a subscription button under any YouTube video or on a channel's page, and once you've subscribed to a channel, any new video that they publish will turn up in your subscription feed. Well, it turns out that that's not actually the case anymore. Now for me, I've got just over 60,000 subscribers at the moment at the time of filming this video, but some of my videos don't really get that many views, and in my opinion, it's because they're not appearing in your subscription box. Now, if it was that you weren't really enjoying the content or didn't like what I was doing here on the channel, then in my opinion, you would unsubscribe and my subscribers would massively go down, but that doesn't seem to be the case, so it may be that you're not getting the actual video itself. And more recently, in March of 2018, YouTube directly put out a tweet, and it reads the following. On the flip side, someone might not want to be notified about every upload from every single subscription, especially if they have a lot. Now the bell gives the option, none, occasional, or all notifications, and you'll be notified for every upload so long as you choose all notifications. So guys, like I mentioned, once you've hit that subscribe button, also turn on the bell notifications for all notifications so that you guys get a notification when I post a new video here on the channel, so that you don't miss out on any of the awesome videos that I'm doing, whether that's a new tech video or a giveaway. So again, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching this part of the video.